You become IS, IPS and judge is very easily. The mind is our largest complex organ in our body. It is protect within skill. It is made up more than 100 billion nerves in mind. The mind receives information through five senses: sight, smell, taste, touch and hearing. The
नाम ज्ञान है। सच्ची बातों को जान लेने का नाम ज्ञान है। जो अपनी मेहनत से कुछ कर दिखाए, जो अपनी मेहनत से कुछ कर दिखाए वही महान है। जिंदगी की हर घड़ी में, जिंदगी की हर घड़ी गमों में, जिंदगी की हर घड़ी गमों की शायरी में गुजर जाएगी। जिंदगी की हर घड़ी गमों की शायरी में गुजर जाएगी। जब तुम्हें अपनी ज़िंदगी में पढ़ाई की कमी नज़र आएगी। आज रास्ता बना लिया है तो कल मंजिल भी मिल जाएगी। आज रास्ता बना लिया है तो कल मंजिल भी मिल जाएगी। हौसलों से भरी यह कोशिश एक दिन जरूर रंग लाएगी। संघर्ष कर अभी बहुत दूर तक जाना है। जिन्होंने कहा तेरा बस का नहीं, अभी उन्हें भी कुछ करके दिखाना है। एंड थैंक यू लिसनिंग केयरफुली फॉर।
उलझ करके तेरी जुल्फों में यूं आबाद हो जाऊं कि जैसे लखनऊ का अमीनाबाद हो जाऊं। ताज को कब तक मैं यमुना की तरह तन्हा निराहूं, ताज को कब तक कोई गंगा मिले तो मैं इलाहाबाद हो जाऊं। गजल कहने लगा हूं मैं, जरा सा मुस्कुरा तो दो। गजल कहने लगा हूं मैं, जरा सा मुस्कुरा तो दो। यही तो चाहती थी तुम कि मैं बर्बाद हो जाऊं।
मेरी चाहत को तू अपना बना लेना, मगर सुन ले जो मेरा हो नहीं पाया वो तेरा हो नहीं सकता।
My topic is investment of money. Good morning, good afternoon everyone. Myself is Ashish Gupta from Mhow district. I have completed my graduation degree in BCom and at this time I am preparing the CAT examination. My topic is investment of money. Before investing, we know about the inflation and महंगाई and inflation rate. At this time, the inflation rate 6.89% annually. Then firstly we consider that inflation rate, after that you are the investment, then what the return of investment, what do you like, what do you get, return on invest is complete or not.
Our mother is first step to we get education. Education plays a very important role in our life. Without education we cannot achieve in any area. So education teaches us why what is wrong and what is right. And education,
because they know we don't understand at that time what is wrong, what is good for us, but they correct us. Respect those person if you have in life such that type of person. And we need to understand not everyone who get you out of seat is your friend. Stay away from such people, because just believe in yourself, just be the best version of yourself, because you are unique and everybody is unique. Everyone's fingerprint is not same, it's different. Retina is different. God makes us unique. Believe in yourself. Be free from your thoughts. Thank you, sir. दिल की से हो के गुजरी है, किसी के दिल की मायूसी जहाँ से हो के गुजरी है। हमारी सारी चालाकी वहीं पे खो के गुजरी है। तुम्हारी और मेरी रात में बस फर्क इतना है, तुम्हारी और मेरी रात में बस फर्क इतना है। तुम्हारी सो के गुजरी है, हमारी रो के गुजरी है। एक एहसासों की पावन सी कहानी है, मोहब्बत एक एहसासों की पावन सी कहानी है। कभी कबीरा दीवाना था, कभी मीरा दीवानी है। यहाँ सब लोग कहते हैं मेरी आँखों में आंसू है, यहाँ सब लोग कहते हैं मेरी आँखों में आंसू है। जो तू समझे तो मोती है, जो ना समझे तो पानी है।
इसे स्वीकार कीजिए। जीवन एक जोखिम भरा है, से झेलिए। जीवन एक कर्तव्य है, सहज पालन कीजिए। जीवन एक खेल है, आनंद पूर्वक खेलिए। जीवन एक संगीत है, प्रसन्नता पूर्वक आनंद लीजिए। जीवन एक स्वप्न है, इस सत्य को स्वीकार कीजिए। और जीवन एक संघर्ष है, जारी रखते हुए
See are those policy which are used to regulate liquidity in economy. There are 6 members in this policy. हिंदी में बोल सकते हैं सर?
What is the main role of teacher in our life? So, shall I start? Thank you. And the teacher is a God blessing for us. The teacher is only one person who build a good nation and makes a world great. And the teacher teaches us that
Life is a very important life. It's a golden life because student life is very important part of our life. He is based on our future. If you make our future bright, then today you will practice and give and
COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by the SARS-CoV-2 virus. Its effects socially, economically, urbanically, environmentally, healthily vary much, sometimes in good ways and sometimes in bad ways. But today I will tell you the benefits of COVID-19. Everyone know that before COVID-19 we had very busy in our daily routine work. No one had some time
protect our nation. So I can say the real hero. If they cannot protect our nation from terrorists and foreign invasions, although
I live in this time we are facing many problems to select your goal because lack of knowledge, lack of under any person who give me advice to select our goal. So I want to tell 2 points to select your goal. First is to know.
You are sleeping. Said that who person they are mentally, physically and socially fit, so they have a good health and they are healthy. So how we
empowerment. Women empowerment is combination of two words, women and empowerment. Empowerment means you giving someone opportunity, power and authority. And firstly, you educate a one man, then educate only one man. But you educate a woman, then you educate our society and our nation. And firstly, I pray everyone and India's peoples and graduate minds. Firstly, you kind.
We know that everyone have confidence, but not everyone understand, because it is hidden to our hesitation. It means you accept and trust yourself. Confidence is an attitude about your skill and abilities. If you have confidence, you will achieve their goals and fulfill their wishes.
Most of the work easily and get crack of them, but their problem is something. When you think I easily can crack them, but there is some problem because you have some knowledge of confidence. So
never give up is the attitude that one should carry in his or her life, no matter what the situation is. One should keep struggling and fighting for what he or she will find. That he or she will find.
In our country, many people do farming, and the life of the farmer is full of difficulties. But farmer grow the grain for us, which fill the stomachs of the whole country. If farmer will not grow the grain, there will be starvation in our country. But farmer grow the grain for us. But still, some people consider the farmer as uneducated and very mean. but many people consider every person is equal in our country, and no work is big or small.
Success. S says about see the goals, and U says about understand your weakness, and C says about control your mind, and second C says about create positive.
I visited any coaching, any institute, I observe thing because I want to learn from that coaching, from that person. What I learned from Pawan sir, he is a very good guider. It means his way of guiding is very good, and his communication skill is very good. It means in the tour, when I sit beside Pawan sir, I communicated a lot of things to Pawan sir. It means the way of communication level is very good, and what the most important in his best is his very
importance of English communications. So firstly, I would like to tell about what is the meaning of communications. In 2 lines, communication is nothing when one person is communicated to another person, sharing ideas and thought, all these things, this represent a communications. And English, as you know that in a single word we can say that English is nothing, it's a language. Okay, so I would like to tell what is the importance of English communications. And you all very lucky because of you all a part of American Institute, so you can easily learn and speak English without any hesitation within 3 months, but if you do hard work. So
Indian Army, the motto of Indian Army is service before self, in Hindi Seva Parmo Dharma, and it was founded in 1 April 1895. And if we talk about the Indian Army, then we can imagine the power of Indian Army. And I'm going to tell about the Indian Army. There are 2 branches of Indian Army. First, arms, and the second is service. Arms consist of infantry, mechanized, armed, and all the things. And if we talk about the infantry, then infantry, the arm that engage in the field with the enemy.
Influencer on Instagram, politician on Twitter, professional on LinkedIn, so and so. So it is must to know what is the social media. Social media is generally a platform that allows user to have a conversation with people and sharing information, and also create a web link. There are various forms of social media like social networking site, photo sharing site, video sharing site, instant messaging, and etc. Now I am going to tell you the benefits of social media. It can be classified into 3 parts. The first one is on personal level. Billions of people around the world
or in the whole world, people they did not differentiate between need and desire. Lots of problems are happening in our society because of this. And in our plate, lots of poisonous things in the form of food we have taken in this form of that.
Chaucer was a great writer and philosopher. He was born 1343 in century London, England. The script of English language is Roman. Then now I am telling about its importance. English is very important for this time because English is an international language. Most of people, many countries are speak.
Shot at you, but don't bother. Just remember that in every games, only audience makes a noise, not a player. Be a player, believe yourself, and do the best. Believe.
Savitribai Phule was the first female teacher in India. She is also known as the feminist icon. Savitribai Phule was born